Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bring on another new and yes exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boost a share on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, this track is undoubtedly the most anticipated track for the summer, and Vybz Kartel also released another music video as well. Now that track, viewers and subscribers, it a shake dancehall music. As a matter of fact, the implications of certain lines from Vybz Kartel in this track in specific, them say, is all that is needed for finally get the M.V.P camp and its affiliates out of the dancehall industry. Now Vybz Kartel also said this. Him not get up and think about the opposition. Him say even if them are bomb, they wouldn't be considered as a threat. Vybz Kartel even go as far as to say him would done them career for free. Pro bono. Now let's discuss that statement in general, viewers and subscribers. For those who are not in the know, the word pro bono is short for the Latin phrase pro bono publico, which means for the public good. The term generally refers to a service that is rendered by a professional for free or at a low cost. Professionals in many fields offer pro bono services to non-profit organizations. Now, dancehall viewers and subscribers has been requesting the removal of certain artists from the genre. They must say someone a sprat, someone a tabo brata. Them say someone they are foreign and I try to mash up the connection between dancehall and hip-hop, even though them sign to a hip-hop label that are for Movado in general. The teacher even go as far as to say some of them are comic strip with fake girls from Archie. Yo, the teacher definitely rubbed them out with this track in specific. Now we can also point out this. We notice that there is a play. They might try to sabotage the teacher and his musical releases. If you notice, even with the track, some people complain that they had to unsubscribe from the Vivo and then subscribe again just to see the track, even though they were located on the island. Something wrong with that? I don't know. Some people are saying this is because of the JCF and the fact that they're adding dancehall artists to certain list of names. And these list of names, we don't know if you don't know the word we're in right now. If your name is added to a specific list, it can stop you from getting a loan, it can stop you from flying to the country, and even when you have put out music, they might have scrutinized even the tracks as well. But it no work. The track shot dancehall and dancehall actually bleach on the track. When the track drop 12 o'clock, we da do a live and the people must say, yo, the track drop. No! But the fans, meet you over there. We go circle over there and make them know what time it is. And right now the track is the biggest dancehall track currently. People like to talk about YouTube trending. Big up the platform, of course. And for all that it has done for dancehall music and even aspiring dancehall artists. But music not stop right up on the platform. What about the other platforms for music? You have other streaming platforms, and with dancehall being recognized on those platforms, it do something for dancehall music. When you can't actually put a dollar figure to certain things are priceless. When you can have an artist like Vybz Kartel and Spotify CEO and mention his work ethic, it do something for dancehall music. It means that even the CEOs for these streaming platforms notice the fact that dancehall music has that attention span for audiences, meaning say people paying attention to dancehall music. Them not just listen to the intro, them not listen to the outro, them actually are listening to the entire song and figure out the lyrical content. We see even rappers overseas are the reactions to Vybz Kartel music, and they must say this, the lyrical content from this dancehall artist in specific, we can compare them to the greats in the hip-hop genre. You name them, we don't know who are the greats to you in the hip-hop genre, but we know this. Lyrical content from the better part for certain artists in a dancehall music is not necessarily the focus. Vybz Kartel is called Vybz Kartel. That is the, would I say, the lifeline of dancehall music. The vibe. It's not necessarily what you say sometimes, it's how you say it. Vybz Kartel is the first dancehall artist to actually infuse how he must say something with actually what he is saying. Because some people not really talk things that make no sense. So we don't really pay attention to what they must say, because what they must say don't really necessarily make any sense whatsoever. But Vybz Kartel is a lyricist like this. If you hear a lyrical content on my track, and you know overs what I say, Google it. You will be surprised to see the gem of Vybz Kartel add to the music. Remember teacher said, luxury. Him roll out a Benz. Mr. Germany roll out a Benz is luxury eternally, to be specific. Many people, most people, when them think about Germany, they might think about Adidas as a shoe. And when they think about car, they might think about Volkswagen. Very few individuals even remember or even know that the Mercedes-Benz, one of the cars associated with luxury, was made in Germany. Enough people know that. It's a surprise to them, but Vybz Kartel still chooses to add these type of lyrical content to music. Him said them now what nothing. And the truth, what them currently working in dancehall music at this point in time. What the contributions that they have made. Even for younger artists, who them inspire to take up music. Actually, what them do is show the do's and the don'ts. What them show and prove is that as a young artist, don't go against the established foundation of your own generation of music. Because remember, the foundation artists from 90s, the 80s, the 70s artists, yes, their foundation is what other artists have capitalized and built on. But for this generation of music, the forefather for this generation of music is of course none other than Vybz Kartel himself. So when you gotta make certain statements and I make it look like you want to disrespect the legacy of the nation, the legacy of Vybz Kartel, it's not gonna work. And as you see, some of these artists have been dropped from them label. Since Yami Bolo dropped, we realize that them fan page and everything completely silent. They don't know how to respond, because for them response is normally with a meme. And we are pointing this out to viewers and subscribers. Stream and purchase the tracks, not only on this platform but on all platforms worldwide. If you are residing on an island and you have tried to sign into a application that tells you that it is not available in your country, with the simple download of a VPN, you're good. With just the simple download of a VPN, you are good. You can get it in your Play Store. You don't have to search for it, and then you can be able to stream the tracks on all the different platforms you want to stream the tracks on. Now, I mean, the track will do extremely well if your track will release in a matter of hours. Talk now, man, and you get the track with the music video, a complete production. You never get the track 6 months ago, and then I get the video 6 months after. And even if the teacher chooses to drop that as a strategy, I remember the teacher, one of the only dancehall artists who have filmed music videos with partner Jamaica and partner England, partner America, all over the world. Even currently now, we're not gonna say him are the first or the only artist to have done so. But currently, how much artists are showcasing music video with part-time shoot in America? I mean, I talk shoot recently. We're not talking about some footage where them film one 6 years ago and just release it now. We are talking about new footage, new productions. Vybz Kartel said a standard in the dancehall music viewers and subscribers. I want to know, pay attention. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you did it. I'll listen to the music video when it just dropped. Now, I mean, if you were one of the persons who found it hard to see the new release from a teacher and had to unsubscribe and then resubscribe just to see the music video, because you have a lot of complaints, you know. But I have to tell them, say, watch, you know, something is happening when the songs are being uploaded. There are people who are trying to re-upload the tracks too, and that creates some sort of problems on the platform. That's why when we review the tracks, I will talk about the tracks. We don't necessarily play the audio some of the time, because it interact or affect the original audio out there. For some reason, it don't normally happen with every artist, but sometimes we see it take place. We don't know why. Some people that say it's a clear sabotage, but can't really say at this point in time. But that's how it look. It's just that we don't know if they have the connections with these major platforms. But as I said, the JCF and the list where they might try to create pan dancehall artists, that dossier, it can affect artists in various ways. So we don't know if that is the play. But the teacher said I'm going to rub out the M.V.P. pro bono. Services rendered for free. Dancehall now for PM a dime. By the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, you know. Drop a like on the blog, share icon is in close proximity. You can tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them, brother, them. Check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.